Hello, everybody. Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you my process the process that I use to secure 100% conversion last week on 6 calls that I had, and this is a process that I use all the time. This is what you will learn: how to increase your chance of conversion, how to increase shop rate, and how to automate this system. So as you can see here, this is the proof. As you can see, July from the 22nd, which is a week ago, till today, how I closed 6 clients. For privacy reasons, I did not show you the name. It was a 1K product. So there's a recurring payment. As you can see here, there's the first payment coming in for 6 people. Here, the proof of the number of calls. I had 1 no-show and 1 person that scheduled a call twice. So the calls were 7, 1 no-show, and the 6 that I had, I converted all of them. This is what I do all the time to create this result, to make sure that I'm more likely to create these results. Create an email with testimonials, create a Calendly reminders, and create a Calendly to connect Calendly to your CRM. Okay, so this is the first thing that I do. I have, whenever somebody schedule a call, this sequence get triggers. First of all, this congrats. I'm not going to show you this email because it's very simple, just a few things that they need to do to get ready for the call. And another email with a list of testimonials. I actually included, I believe, let me see if I can show you this without, okay, yeah. I included maybe 5 testimonials. Just there's a link to the interview that I had with them on YouTube. And then the next thing that it's important to do is set up reminders with Calendly. I have 2 reminders. You can have more. I feel like 2, it's good enough. And then the next thing is to connect Calendly. So every time somebody schedule a call with you on Calendly, it gets the whole sequence. So what I use Zapier to connect Calendly with Active Campaign. So there's a filter that when there's the name Discovery Call, gets this call scheduled. There is a campaign. They enter into my automation, which is this one, and they get a couple of emails to prepare them for the call. Okay, and then creates a database item on Notion, but that's a different thing. Okay, so this is all for this video. This is how I make sure people show up on the calls, and this is how I increase the likelihood of conversion. One more thing that you could do, and this is something that I haven't done, but I probably will be doing soon. I want to add another email, maybe instead of the first one, with or the first one with a video where I explain my method. I give testimonials right away. This is how X, Y, and Z achieve this result. So kind of like a short webinar to like 1 minute or 2 minutes to explain my method, so people show up on the call that they know exactly what to expect and what I'm all about. Okay, this is all for this video. See you in the next training.